1. Waking up before the world, before the noise, before the scroll. That quiet hour is when I meet myself, and I always show up. 2. Making my bed. Not for neatness, but for momentum. I win the first battle of the day before breakfast. 3. Cold showers. 60 seconds of pure discipline. If I can conquer comfort first thing in the morning, I can conquer anything that follows. 4. Daily walks. No phone, no distractions, just movement and clarity. Most of my best ideas are born on those silent paths. 5. 1 hour of deep work every day. No tabs, no notifications, no phone. Focused, brutal, productive. 6. Lifting heavy, physically and mentally. Iron sharpens iron. Every rep builds more than muscle. 7. Drinking water like it's my superpower, because it is. 8. Reading 10 pages every single day. It rewired my mind. My brain stopped craving chaos and started craving growth. 9. Journaling. Some days it's messy, some days it's profound. Every day it's honest. 10. Keeping one daily promise, even if it's small. That's how self-trust is rebuilt, brick by brick. 11. No screen time in the first hour after waking. I protect my mind before the world floods it. 12. Tracking my time. Not to be perfect, but to be aware. Most people never even notice where their hours bleed away. 13. Saying no a lot. Not to be rude, but to stay dangerous and focused. 14. Silence every night. No music, no content, no input. Just me and the weight I carry. That's where real healing happens. 15. Daily movement. Even when I'm exhausted, motion destroys stagnation. 16. Eating clean. Not for abs, but for energy, for focus, for war. 17. Keeping a clean space. Outer chaos creates inner chaos. I clean like my life depends on it, because sometimes it does. 18. Writing down 3 wins every night, even if the only win was I didn't quit today. 19. Talking to myself with respect. If I don't have my own back, who will? 20. Reminding myself every morning, no one is coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition, stacking tiny wins, building identity, evolving in silence, because the loudest transformations happen quietly.